Beneath the waves of Tampa Bay, a hidden world is revealed. Among the sand and gently swaying seagrass beds are unique hard-bottom habitats created from exposed rocks, corals, and artificial reefs. Here, a diverse underwater community thrives. A wide variety of creatures, including fish, sponges, soft corals, algae, and oysters, call the 423 documented acres of hard-bottom habitat in Tampa Bay home. While they look a bit different, the reef-building corals of the tropics and the hard-bottom habitats of an estuary are both vital components of the marine environments in which they are found. Research involving baited underwater video cameras and hook and line sampling uncovered the lives of this biological community, tailing the pinfish and gray snappers that dominate the biome. As the seasons change, these habitats become a sort of highway rest stop for fish as they journey to and from the Gulf of Mexico's deeper waters. With anglers eager to hook a prized fish, the community above the waves also benefits economically from these important hard-bottom habitats. The Tampa Bay Estuary Program, or TBEP, is working with their partners to protect these underwater oases from threats including unsafe boating practices, nutrient pollution, coastal acidification, and overfishing. In 2020, TBEP established long-term conservation targets for several critical bay habitats, including hard bottom. This Habitat Master Plan calls for the protection of at least 423 acres of bay hard bottom habitat over the next decade. To learn more about Tampa Bay's habitats and how you can help protect and restore them, visit tbep.org.